I've seen most finals games on this team. Just what do you say that? I mean, do you think this team's playing a little tight in the beginning?
No, I mean it's a combination of things. I don't think we're as locked in as we need to be on the road, and that happens. The crowd noise, maybe things like that, but you also have to give them credit. They're a good team for a reason. They start games strong and they finish games strong, and they've been starting a lot better than we've been starting. So we have to correct that to give ourselves a true chance.
How much is Game 3 a must-win, given the fact you guys are down?
I don't believe that must-win stuff is not. There's no such game as a must-win unless you're on the brink of elimination. It's an elimination game. Other than that, it sounds good for TV. For us, we have to go home and protect our home court.
James, how do you kind of pick the locker room back up after two tough losses in a big series like this?
If it's 2 by 20, if you lose by 2, you lose by 20. 2 losses. You win by 2, you win by 20. 2 wins. At the end of the day, it's a 7-game series, and you get a chance to play at home. So we have to go back home and defend home court. And if you take that approach, it's easy to get up and then get ready for a game because you get the chance to do it back in front of your home crowd.
How did you guys play though in these 2 games? I mean, did things go terribly wrong for you guys, or just give the Warriors credit?
I mean, I give them credit. We could have been a lot better. That's how always think that, but we lost. So we have to be better. Unless we win, that's not that losing isn't what we're seeking.
Right.
So that's not the outcome we're looking for. So until we get the outcome we want, we'll seek to improve.
You guys know, of course, that everything runs through LeBron.